Hello guys, so today in this video we are going to see complete live review about this awesome protocol GPTPower, which is the world's first OpenAI WordPress website creator to create set and forget website with unique content from ChatGPT and OpenAI with zero investment or prior technical skills. So watch the complete video to see full demo of it, how it works, its various features and many more. And guys, if you get access to it right now, I have 30 plus action taken bonuses totally free worth rupees $10,000 for you. So to learn more about it or to grab this limited time period offer, definitely check out the link in the description down below guys. So now let's get started.